Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hopefully, you are studying at home. Today, we are going to finish unit number 3, The World of Books, by doing two questions, last two questions. One is on page number 16, and the other one is on page number 17. The question which is on page number 16 is about syllables, and it is exercise C, phonic focus. We have to do this question in book. And the other question is exercise E, grammar focus, contractions. This question we are going to do in notebook. Okay, now let's start syllables. Who is going to tell me what are syllables? You have done this in grade 1 also. Think. Okay, I will tell you what are syllables. Syllables are the sounds in a word. Sometimes it is one sound coming from a word, or sometimes it is more than one sound coming from the word. Okay, and each syllable must have vowel in them or letter Y at the end of a word. Syllables are the sound in a word. Sometimes it is coming one sound from a word, or sometimes it is coming more than one sound. Sometimes it is two sound coming, sometimes it is three sound coming. So syllable are the sound in a word. Syllable must have vowels in them or letter Y at the end of a word, because letter Y sometimes make vowels I and E sound. So this letter Y is also in syllables considered as vowel. So syllable must have vowel in them or letter Y at the end of a word. Now I will give you some examples. These are the examples, only 4 or 5 or 3 words. But there are lots of words. In every word there are syllables. When you read the word, you will find syllables in them. Cap. Can you hear cap? It is only one sound coming and there is one vowel in it. Cap. Book. Read. Wish. So these are the example of one syllable words. One syllable words means one sound is coming. Now focus on two syllable words. Means two sounds are coming and in every sound there is vowel or letter Y at the end. Story, people, water, seven. Hopefully you understand. Now come to exercise C. Write the missing letters and also circle the correct syllables in each word. This question we have to do on page number 16. Exercise C. Write the missing letters and also circle the correct syllable. These are the words: story, author, amazing, reading, two. Story is two syllable word. Story. Author, again two syllables. Amazing, two sounds are coming. Amazing. Reading, reading, two. So two is the only word which has one syllable. Story, author, amazing, reading, two. Now moving on to next question, which is on page number 17, and this question we have to do it in notebooks. Contractions. What are contractions? First, check how many syllables are word in this. How many syllables are coming in this word? Contractions. Con 1, track 2, shans 3. So 3 syllable word. Contractions. Now what are contractions? Contractions are the shorter forms of words. These changes are made by doing two things. Contractions means we squeeze the words. We make it in a shorter form by doing two changes. We miss out a letter and put an apostrophe on top of the letter. So what are contractions? Contractions are the shorter forms of words. These changes are made by doing two things: missing out a letter and putting in an apostrophe. Apostrophe is just like as comma. We make it just like comma, but apostrophe we put on the top of the letter. So you understand what is contractions? Contractions are the shorter form of words by doing two things: missing out a letter, and by putting apostrophe. Here is an example. I'm giving you an example. She is. So we make she is shorter or squeeze form. We remove I and we put apostrophe in place of I. Now open your notebooks quickly and start doing this question: uses of contractions in notebook. Change the given word into contractions, means make them shorter form. They are, I am, he is, are not, it is, she is. We have to squeeze it. How? By removing one letter and putting an apostrophe. And one another thing, we have to remove the distance. We have to bring the remaining letter nearer to the first word. They are. Look at they are. We are going to remove a and we are going to put apostrophe in place of a. And we will remove the distance also. We make it one word. They are. They are. I am. I'm. Means we remove a and we put apostrophe and bring am closer with the letter I. Okay, he is. Remove I and put apostrophe and bring s closer to the he. Are not. Same in are not. We remove o and we bring n closer with the word are and we put apostrophe in place of o. It is. We remove I, we remove the distance, we bring s closer with the word it and we put apostrophe in place of I. She is. Same thing. Now do this in your notebook. They are, I am, he is, are not, it is, she is. These are the 6 words, 6 contractions, but there are many more. We are learning today only 6. Hopefully you have done this. Now we are going to do the flashback of unit number 3, the world of books. What we have learned from this unit and what are the things which we have done. First of all, we have learned that books give us knowledge and are good friend of us. There are many kind of books. The writer of the book is called an author. There are parts of books. Title page means name of a book. Cover page. Index. Content. Index means content, what is there inside the book. And the last page. And the things which we have done in this unit is words meaning, question answers, syllables and contractions. Now what you have to do, you have to learn unit 3 thoroughly for quiz on Sunday, April 19, 2020. Okay? Thank you.